Ma'am, hi.
Hi,
Can you please introduce yourself?
great. Yes. Hi, my name is Shweta. I am working as the head of recruitment with AD Education. So AD Education is actually a parent organization. It has a group of institutions in UK as well as in Europe. We have many institutions. It is headquartered in France. At the moment, I am actively promoting SAE UK Europe, ICMP UK, and Media University Germany.
Explain a bit in more in detail about SE University.
Okay, so SAE is a world renowned institution in the field of media and technology. We have 10 campuses in Germany, 5 campuses in UK. We also have campuses in Austria, Amsterdam, and Switzerland, and many, many more. The biggest thing about SAE, the kind of technology you will see on the campus as per the industry standards, the best of the equipments in the industry.
You were telling me about all the equipments and the upgraded stuff which you have in your
Right.
labs and everything. So can you explain more on that?
Absolutely. So the reason SA is so famous because the kind of technology you will see at SA that is uncomparable. No other place you will find the same level of technology. To give you an example, we also have film production, and in our film production room, the kind of equipments we use are same as used in Hollywood.
Amazing. And are there any scholarships? What are the fees actually?
Okay, so if I talk about the Germany campus, the fees is around 16,250 GBP for international students, and at the moment we are offering scholarship up to 20%.
So now let's move on to the next university. Can you explain more about Media University?
Absolutely. So, Media University, it's a private German university among the top 10 universities in Germany. We have 3 campuses in Germany. For international students, again, Berlin and Frankfurt. We are very, very famous for business courses, psychology, journalism, humanities, and art. We have undergraduation as well as masters. And for masters, we have 1 year masters as well as 2 year masters.
Amazing. So now let's move on to some one of the university which is currently a very unique as per my point of view. So can you please explain about ICMP?
Okay, so ICMP stands for Institute of Contemporary Music Performance, which is among the top 2 institutions in the UK in the field of music. So when I talk about ICMP, if somebody wants to build a career in music, this is the best option. And music is not just a small industry, it's a very big industry. In music, we have different courses, whether somebody wants to be a performer or somebody wants to, develop something in terms of song, songwriting, composition, event management, study in DJ, study for music and films, music psychology, music business, entrepreneurship. We have bachelor's, master's, diplomas available in all of them. Because at the end of the day, our motive is not just to give a degree to the student, but also to give them a platform to showcase their skill on a global platform.
Amazing. You were telling me about that you don't only look at the academics, you also look on the other skill sets that the students are having. Can you
Right.
explain more?
So, see, at the end of the day, what we need somebody who wants to build a career in a specific field. The reason AD education is so popular because whatever institutions we have, they are specialized into something. If I talk about Media University, we are specialized into journalism, business, psychology. If I talk about ICMP, we're specialized into music. If I talk about SAE, we are specialized into technology. So, what we are looking from the student is a good aptitude as well as a good profile. Of course, academics are important for your visa processing, but if you have a good platform and if you're doing something good in your life already and you have a good motivation to actually excel in any of these career, we would be more than happy to look at your portfolio or your SOPs or LOMs and evaluate accordingly.
Amazing.
So thank you so much for having me here at your GB Vadodara
Thank you.
office. It was really nice interacting with the team.
Same here.
I really look forward to do a lot of assessments for your students. And if you have any questions, and I want to give a final message to the students that we are still accepting application. We have intakes in September, October, November, and we will allow late arrivals also if your visa takes time. So you can get in touch with the team here at Vadodara office and get your profile evaluated and apply as soon as possible so that you can make it. And another additional point, if you're looking to go to Germany, this is the last intake without DMAT if you want to go for masters. So apply as soon as possible. We will try to give you offers within 2 to 3 working days if your documents are complete. So first thing is that you need to get your assessments done. Thank you so much and all the very best to you.